Hello and good evening everyone. Today it's me Niraj Lamisani over here with the next video with the OOPS concept of polymorphism. While talking about polymorphism means poly means one object with the multiple forms that can do a multiple tasks. While talking about the polymorphism, we have got two concepts over there. One compile time polymorphism during the time of compilation and a runtime polymorphism during the running process. In the first one, I'll be discussing about the compile time polymorphism. It's too simple, don't worry, just relax, chill and watch my video, okay? I'll be discussing you about compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism means nothing else which occurs during the time of compilation, which means it occur within one class. It occurs, there are key points you have to remember, okay? It occur in one class, means within the same class as it is. And compile time polymorphism means it can have multiple multiple methods with the same name. It can have a multiple method with the same name, but it must have to be with diffe identity different parameter or a work. You may say at work it has to carry out a different work. It has to do a different work. Sorry, there is a spelling error, okay? But just be clear that it can have a multiple method with the same name. Multiple method, we can have a method with the same name, but it must need to have a different parameter means you got to know that the parameter with a different parameters parameters, okay? I'll be going through, okay? This is my class and I'm gonna make a I'm not gonna declare any attribute, okay? I'm just gonna make a methods, just making a methods over there. I can have a method means public, no need to, okay, let's do public as well. Public void. I'm gonna show you of a very easy one, okay? Addition one, okay? Addition with the integer. I'm gonna give a parameter as well, integer a n int b. This is which data type? This is not a void, this is the integer data type there. What I'm gonna do, I don't do a void doesn't return anything. We have to return something, so I'm gonna do a integer type. Integer gonna return it, okay? A plus b. First of all, I'm gonna make a second method, but according to compile time polymorphism, you can have a multiple method in the same class with a different attribute in it, okay? With the same method, you may simply use public integer type with the same method with the same name. But over here I'm gonna describe you about, I'm gonna using a parameter, three parameter, okay? Over there, to make you more clear, I'm using a integer type, so we have to do return, you know that void doesn't return type. Other than void, you have to do all return type. You might get confused what I have done over there, okay? Public means public integer add. There I made in mistake. Oh yeah, there is comma, I missed comma, so it's gonna look means in a second method I have used the same name of the method as add, but I have used three different parameters are different comparing to the previous one, okay? Similarly, for a third one also, I'm gonna not type over there, okay? I become so lazy now. I'm just doing a simple one, copying the previous step, and I'm gonna add a different one, intd, fourth one. While if I add the 4, I have to add a fourth one. Means in this way, in a similarly, I have made a three method with the same name add, but with a different parameter. Means it return a different, the work performed by the method are totally different comparing to each other, but the name of the method is same. That's all. It's the compile time polymorphism. It's too simply, don't worry and don't get anything else. Now I'm gonna just make an object and call it, okay? Polymorphism means with the multiple forms, nothing else, don't get confusion. compl, okay? This is a new, I'm gonna make control B, constructor. I'm calling a constructor, it's okay. compl dot, what I'm gonna go, no, I'm gonna not just call, I'm gonna simply print, okay? Print the statement, it's gonna make me easy. System dot output dot sysout, no template proposal. What do you mean by that? System system dot out dot print println compl dot. First of all, I'm gonna use a 2, okay? 2 1. If I add 55 and, oh sorry, what I've done, what did this, 55 and 66. SY STM system dot. What is what I have done wrong over there? Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. No, I did mistake. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, it's okay. Okay, SYSOUT. It has to work. Yeah, it worked right now. Okay. Compile data. First of all, I have done for a 2. Now let's do for a third one. Add with a 3 parameter 45. I'll be doing how many class I made? I made a 3 class with the 3. I made a 3 method with the same class, same name of the no class. What I'm gonna saying that I made a 3 method with the same name add, but I've used a different parameter. Don't get confused. Okay, what I've done. Okay, it's simply nothing else. I'm just calling all the method one by one. Now this time for the fourth one, the last one, 77. Oh, what is 88? 55, and then the last one is 33. Now when I print the statement, you may simply see that as what I printed over there. The first one has 121, 99 and 253, means nothing else. This is the compile time polymorphism, and it's too simply nothing else. You just have to made in a one class, and it can have a multiple method with the same name, but it has to perform different acts, which means that I have made a same name of the method as add in a 3 method as same name, but the tasks performed by the third are totally different, because first one written as A and B, second written as ABC, third written as fourth ABCD, and I've just printed the statement. And this is all about the compile time polymorphism. I'll be standing over here with the next video about the compile time. This is a compile time polymorphism. Next one is over, will be I'll be showing you about the runtime polymorphism, and this all about the polymorphism video, means oops concept. That's all. Till then, take care, bye bye, and have a good day.